What's going on, y'all? Fresh, clean chart. We're gonna start from scratch. We'll start on the weekly. Uh, Damn, way back there. Y'all know we've been trading the diamond pattern. We know how diamonds trade. They do it like a real knife, then they shoot up. And y'all see this candle, this knife. This knife happened because of the daily diamond, like the diamond that's shown on the daily. And y'all know it works all the way down from time frames all the way up. So my prediction is we should get the weekly part to play out, and we're gonna get a knife like this, but it's gonna be like 2, 3 candles like that, weeks back to back, like. And in my opinion, I'm thinking we will go from the 430s down to this candle, top of this candle. Oh shit, top of this. Oh, line. The top of this candle. I'm gonna do this video in one shot. I'm not starting over any of that. Or this candle. The high is right down your notes. 369 or 367. I really think we're gonna go to 355. That's what I'm guessing. But 369, 367 is good. You can see like up here, I just flushed down, and we never really got that hard wick off of that over here anywhere. So we're gonna put a line here. That's for the low on that candle is 436.08. So 436 is possible. 436 is possible. Um, so I'm thinking 436, and we get a nasty. I'm talking about a brutal drop down to the 360s. We're gonna take out this. We should take out this. We should take out this. And the thing about diamonds is, when they get here, it's what happens next. If it tries to bounce and it rejects, it's this right here won't hold. It's easily going to the 320s, maybe even lower. But normally on the diamond we should see a drop from up here straight down to here, then we rock it back. This diamond says we're going to the all-time highs or close to it. That's what this diamond says. I'm not saying it. That's what the chart says. Um, But yeah, we're gonna drop down to cause we can't really see the details that's going on in all of this. So we're gonna drop down to the 4 hour. We could use the daily, but we're gonna use the 4 hour. Um, Scroll over here, see what's going on. Another thing, like Apple earnings coming up, so my thing, like I don't short expected news that we know gonna be bad. Like that's the way the big boys they know people gonna think that, and they already gonna position themselves for it. So as soon as you try to short it, they gonna rocket it back up. Like they gonna cover, making a big ass trap and squeezing the stock higher. We seen that in other names already, besides Tesla. But Tesla, like it came with extra news. Like they running out of money. Like not running out of money, but they only had like 500 and something million when they was expected to have like 1 point something billion. Um, but we see the flush here, right? And then we got our wick here. That wick, I just charted it on the weekly. So what's supposed to happen in a normal situation is it tests, run up, test it, get a wick, and then it dumps, right? Also here, it flush. So I'm gonna use this middle wick right here at the bottom of that, and I'm gonna put that up there. And let's see if it tested. I know that top one didn't test. Um, yeah, it got close to it, but it didn't really test it. Like if we put a wick right here up on this candle, we're gonna put one right here too. Cause see how we got it, the wicks, then it just dumped. That's the confirmed reversal right there. What's this level right here? Oh, that's an old level, 404. Okay. So, yeah, I got SPY going to, like, the high it can go to 366. Like, it could do it. It could do it. I'm trying to find the line. Like, where did SPY close today? So it closed somewhere up here, and it's not going across. I guess because the market closed. But anyway, when I chart, like, we got a flush here, wick there, just put the line there at the bottom. Let's change that color to blue. Okay. Same situation here. We could put one here. Remember, these lines are not bullish or bearish. They're just, I don't know what they are, but they're not bullish or bearish, because if it rejects off this line, it dumps, or if it stays on top of that line, it rips. We'll put a line here. And let's put a line here. Damn, I thought I changed the color. Like purple. I need to get back used to this here. Need to change this color to, I ain't meant to get into a little charting thing, but I just want y'all to see this stuff. Okay, we see we put this line here, this line there. And let's see what happens after it goes across. See how, because of this right here, and you see how, let me zoom in. See how because of this right here, and you scroll over here, like, you see it bouncing, and it bounced. Then this candle never broke below it. It opened and went straight up. And then it goes straight up. You see right here, we got that bullish pin. I was telling the guy on Facebook today, like, it's all about location and where this stuff happens at. And that, you know, me, I'm buying calls off of that off the rip. But with an easy, like, that's the thing about this strategy. If you buy calls off of that, like, you can just set the stop at the bottom. As soon as it break the bottom of that, you can just switch straight to puts and catch that move. Here you go, the overline. See, boom, boom, bounce. But yeah, I ain't mean to get it all to all of that right there. Body had made a I'm gonna look at IWM real quick, and because you gotta look at certain tickers, these other tickers to really know what's going on. And damn, do I want to erase all of this? Let's go to the daily. I'm not erasing all of my lines. I'm gonna have to for y'all to see. Yup, erase. Damn, I don't want to, but I want to show y'all something anyway. Body had said something about, he made a post about IWM 175 with the stop, but notice this right here, right? This top of this wick, this top of this wick, and the top of this wick. You see how they all around the same level? Let me add a line. And boom. That's like 174 or whatever, right? 174.73. So when it was up here, I was thinking like, okay, we're gonna get this wick touch, right? And then it'll continue. So instead it kept going. So I'm like, hold the fuck up. Like, oh, excuse me. I'm like, hold up. Why in the hell? why the hell they keep going or whatever. Like I must have missed something somewhere, right? So now I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour, and this is stuff you gotta look for. So scroll over to the left. You see, like this is my line, and it went way down here to 170, right? So scroll to the left. Scroll to the left. Now I'm looking. I'm like, okay, we got this breakup right here. It never came back down. Like if you look, because in my strategy, like I was supposed to have a line there. I don't know why it wasn't there. But we're gonna put that line there. Boom. Right on the top of this wick right here, because we got this green breakup, and we're gonna put the line there. So now when you scroll back over, look. So that 174 level kind of like messed me up or whatever, but because that shit confused me. It confused me. But you see, so it's ready now. It's good and ready. Like, yeah, we're gonna, you see how these two wicks break up. We're gonna put a line there, get that ready. Cause it's gonna test at 173.85. So Monday, if we get like a little flush down to 173, calls stop up under there. Or if you get the break above this level, you do calls or whatever. But that's gonna be nice if it could come back. If it flush, you're gonna flush and pop right back up. But yeah, but also another thing I want to show y'all is, I wish I wouldn't erase my pattern. This I'm sorry y'all. We're gonna put this here and this here. Boom. Then we're gonna put one here and one here. Boom. Alright. So these patterns here, right? They look bullish, and what they do is, you see, they bounce, bounce, bounce. They bounce, bounce, bounce. So it didn't come back down here, right? It did that, try to do the breakout up there, but then it caught that 170. That's from over here that I missed. So what these patterns normally do is, if it break out to the downside first, that's bullish. Then it shoots up. If it breaks up to the top side first, that's bearish to me. It could change. It could break up, hit this, and shoot up. I doubt it. But it breaks up, then it just nice all the way down to the bottom, right? That goes in line with SPY. With SPY shooting up like the way that it's supposed to in the next week or so. So, and it goes in hand. It goes along with the dump that's coming too, because like I said, when this breaks out, this is gonna knife back down and just keep going. Fake breakout. That's what's gonna happen with IWM. It should lose 167 easily. Let me see, where could it possibly go? Go over here. Anything that ever got missed, that made it. It could hit that level. That's that's saying the 140s. That'll be ugly. But it's possible though. It is possible. Or it could triple bottom. I don't know. But it's gonna be nasty. It's definitely gonna be nasty. But yeah, let's go to SMH. Go here. I already had put some lines on here to like show y'all some shit. You see this right here should go. Put this here. Boom. Oh hell no. I need to do better, but I'm not shooting another video. Change this. Change this. I mean, this how. That's what, 292. So it should, yeah, that should shoot the 292. See this wick? See the flush? We're gonna put a line here. Boom. See how this closed directly above that with that little pin bar or whatever. It also bounced off this level too, so that should give it a touch. Then go. Yeah. See the break up here? Put a line there. Touch. Boom. Wick to wick. Gone. That's what you want. The wick to wick. And that's how, like, it don't fail. That's what it's gonna do. Wick to wick on everything. Yeah, let me go back to SPY real quick to show y'all this. How they 52 fake me. Go down to the 10-minute chart. Where it go? Where it go? What day was it? Oh, right here. So right here we had the setup, right? Let me draw the line. Right here we had the setup, right? And it broke over, tested, calls, stop at lower day. It bounced. It didn't hit my stop though. And then this one, then that it hit me out, and then it dumped, and then it did that, right? So we go over here, show you how they did me, how they do with the 52 fake out. Right here. Same situation. I didn't put the line accurate. Got the break up, dump, but this time it built that counter there. It went on its way. But yeah, man. Yeah, with the earnings, like with Apple earnings, I think the big boys gonna be ready. They just not, unless SPY is up in the 430s by the time Apple happen. I think they're gonna let it. They're gonna rip it up. Like Amazon messed up. I don't know why they smacked Amazon down like that, but yeah. Oh yeah, let me go back to SMH because I seen some good stuff on here earlier. But yeah, like you see this candle with the wick on top. So you see when it dropped down and went there, but we had confirmed reversal. All right, all of this broke down. So you just put your wicks like on this break right here, on this candle right here. You put your wicks there. You wouldn't put one there yet because it never broke that level. When it broke that level over here, that's when you start boom, boom, wick there. And you can see like when it breaks that level, It came up, tested it that wick to that wick. That when it let's say like, okay, it break the level, right? And you put that wick there, that line there, and then like this counter did, it broke inside of above it a little bit. That means like the bear is still not as strong. So that's why you see it go to the side or whatever. So you can still look at it as a confirmed reversal, right? But one thing about it, when you enter putts and you see a confirmed reversal and it just start going to the side like that, get out. Go and bank your profits and get out. But you see it went back up, hit it. This time it didn't penetrate or anything. It topped out. And you see the next week it just dumped, dead cat, dumped again, and then went up, hit this line, here. I think that might be on another time frame showing the exact line, but it hit that and it just died, dead cat, and then it died or whatever. But yeah, this right here was never tested, so we're gonna put one down because they're gonna get it. I guarantee they don't miss. They do not miss. They're going to get it. What else? Do I want to look at the cues? I don't know. Yeah, look at the Q. Ooh. When I'm charting on my phone, like it goes straight to here, so I'm sorry. Let's see. Yeah, see, we got some stuff up in here that never been confirmed. I know what happened in this candle, because you don't see anything over here. We're going to drop down to the 4 hour. Let's see where the Q's is going at. What is it, 332 level? Yeah. Let me put a line there. Put a line there. And you can also make like a zone out of this stuff. Yeah. Like 328. 328 is in play on the Q's. 328 is in play on the Q's. Before it knife. Let's put a line here on this wick. That's 324. You best believe there's gonna be some resistance. 324. See, we got this flush here, right? So this flush here, this why I tell y'all to like pay attention to these candles. We got this flush here, and we look to the left. This one right here, this the deadliest one. This little candle, this little red midget right here, that's the deadliest one. Let me put a line on the bottom of it. And that's what, 322.94. And I think that's where we at right now on QQQ. Look at it. Damn, boy. I hope they don't reject one day. We in some trouble. Yeah. Damn. Apple. 2 minutes. Clear. Alright. I'm gonna show y'all this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go back to SPY 2. Okay. So on the Apple level, you go back over here to this candle, right? Boom. So earlier I was like, watch the 168.53 level. Okay, it popped and it broke. I knew it was fake because we didn't get the candle to test it. I knew it was fake. Um, that's why I said we needed the hold, like the retest, and then it hold and it come up. So when it came back down, buy. Alright, the reason why I knife like that, because of this candle. When it came back to test this candle or whatever, right? And the candle ended up being red, and it just went ahead and knife, so that didn't hold or whatever, and it went down through that 168.53 level, and then boom, it rejected. Remember I told you, like, if it don't dump and it start going sideways, just get your money out. So you can see, like, it kept going up, but it never came back and touched this down with, and plus that kind of green. But look, you see how it's trying to go above it, lost it, but it never dumped. Go above it, lost it, then it traveled up under it. Like, it rejected, but it's just steady going sideways. It's not dumping. So then it popped up. Then to get the test, that's when I went and come in to make the thing again. Like, watch this level, and then it boom, 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 out of there. Same with Meta. 10 minute. I didn't really put the lines on there, but um, it's there right here. So I like the little red candles. See over here, popped up, came back, tested it, tested that candle right there, tested it, held candle. That's when you enter your calls with the stop below this, and just let it work. Up, 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 then up, boom, then up. And put a line on this because this gonna be important. It probably not even gonna show up on my damn phone. But yeah, this was, if you look over here, that's another retest level, and then it's just dump. It's all about, once you learn this part of it, then it's about putting the patterns together and getting the measured moves or whatever. Like, another thing that I do, I like to pre-market. People don't like to use pre-market levels, but I'm gonna show you something. See this candle? It broke above it. Here go this little midget right here. Put your line there. Then go. See what happened when it opened? Boom. Tested it. Boom. Boom. Gone. And even when it broke this level, you put a line on this candle right here. Especially the one, I like these right here, the one that's almost got the even wicks on both sides. Came back down. Tested it. Boom. Boom. Gone. It broke this candle right here. I usually don't use these, but you can see what happened. Stayed there. Boom. Put one there. Like, come on now. Even when you go, we're gonna go right here. We're gonna put a line right here. Put a line there because it is kind of broke up. Put one there. Scroll to the right. Let's see what happened over here. Reject it. Came back, tested. And we can even put one right here on this candle. See it? Yeah, like, pre-market levels work. I don't know why people say it don't work, but it works. And like, a lot of time sometimes I just put one on the top, one on the bottom. And it's like I said, it's not, they're not bullish or bearish. It's like, let me go back to the other day. Let me go back to the other day. Alright, I got like 5 minutes and I'm gonna cut it off. It's like this right here. Put a line there. Flush here. Put a line there. Change the color since I'm doing new stuff. You see the pre-market flush line. And you see it was bouncing on the line, and then it lost it. Right here, you see how this candle broke up, right? And you put a line there on top of this candle right here at the top of the wick. And when it came back to test it, and it just fell, yeah, you know it was going to dump. Even here, this one broke up. You put the line there on top of that wick. Let me see. Put the line there on top of that wick. Boom. That kind of closed up under it. Gone. But like I said, when this stuff don't retest, you know it's coming back. Capped over it. Gone. We out of here, Spy. We out of here, Spy. Yup. So yeah, y'all, that's that. Y'all got any questions? Let me know. I'll help anybody. But yeah, SPY got the potential to hit 436 and drop low as 355. Well, we're looking at 367, 369. It's possible that 376 could hold, but from where the diamond trade, it's supposed to go to 367, 369. What happens at that point? Like it could get a total mess. I'm in total chaos. Let me show y'all BA real quick. See where this shit is at. Let me show you what this shit look like. Yeah, see there go like a diamond there. Boom, boom. Came back, test, go, then shoot up. But nah, we had I don't know where the hell is that. We had a failed diamond on here somewhere. Is this it? But yeah, that's a diamond bottom. If it shows on the hourly. That's my old diamond that I traded. But yeah, that's what SPY gonna do. Right here. Go up, the diamond down, then y'all remember that knife, and then it shoots up, and then it goes down to damn near this low. That's like SPY 366, 367, and then it shoots up like that. Like that's pretty much how SPY is supposed to go. That's how SPY is supposed to go. So, yeah, we had that's like a diamond top there. But not really, cause it shoulda rose up. Like the diamond tops inverse is this. It'll be an inverse of this. So it shoulda went up and then consolidated over and then knife. So let me see. VDA. 10 minutes. I'm surprised I don't have those lines on here. Should have more. The video just simple. But one yellow line. Man, that's beautiful. Calls on the break. Nah, it don't have it. AMD. Yeah, man, AMD was so stubborn. Like, I'm not gonna erase my line, but we got this head and shoulders, neckline, and then it breaks, and then it comes up, and man, it just took forever to make this move. Like, this move here, all the way down here should happen way over here somewhere. So I was thinking like we gonna get the squeeze on AMD over that 90-20 level because it was invalidating. But those motherfuckers was, they was determined to get this thing down. Because from here the measure move take AMD to 82. Like the measure move is down to 82. It went to like 83. So I was thinking like they almost had it. They almost had the squeeze or whatever. And then, like, I guess the Bulls just gave up and just like, fuck it, let that shit go. And that, should real possibly hit this orange line up here. Yeah, it could hit this orange line up here. Because this is technically supposed to be like a head. Once this completes, the final part is once the breakdown, that's the head or whatever. It's supposed to be like the shoulder. You make another shoulder. Let me go to Tesla. Tesla, I wanted to short that sucker today at 164. Delete. I wanted to short it today at 164. Oh yeah, all these patterns got this huge. It's not a megaphone pattern. I don't know what you call it, but they got the bullish divergence going on. If you put the RSI on there, and you'll be able to see it. It's on SPY, QQ, it's on everything. But yeah, but I really want Tesla to retrace to 177. Let me put it on the 4-hour. See if we can see it better. Cause we didn't get that gap down. Like we know it's gonna go back up in here somewhere too to retest. Well, yeah, it's going to 130. Easily going to 130. Like when they whack this sucker, they gonna whack it. And I'm gonna be here for it too. I won't miss it. You can see a trend line could go there. That's about to break. I'm not gonna add it. But yeah, I wanted to short it today at that 164 level because we had. See all these red candles? Like, oh, okay, here we go. Right, we're gonna use this candle right here. $179. Yeah, it's gonna come back up to test that, and then boom. It could go higher. It could go higher, but I doubt it. But the thing about Tesla, man, I'm telling you, I'm not real accurate on it. Like the other day, I was thinking they would go to 164, then retrace. But I had two plays on it. Either go to 164 retrace or drop below that one level that I had marked out, then reject, and then dump. And then the 155s went in the money. But my initial play was when it first, was getting slaughtered at the ER was a retrace back to 177, then dump. So Tesla could fake break out over this 179 level. Let me see. Let me put a line. I'm gonna put a line right here because it's kind of there. I'm gonna put a line right here at the bottom of that wick. Like, we really don't have a good. Well, we got that, but that's not a good one. We want it to like just hit off of it. Probably got some shit over here that we need to gotta look into 1 hour for that. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that's 182, and we got this level right here, 186. Like, still can't see in this one. So probably on the 30-minute, but I'm not using the 30-minute. You see, like right here, it broke down. Put the wick right there, and boom. Look, even right here, with flush red counter with confirmed reversal. So like thing here, like you see that you enter your putt, set the stop up there, or you can set it loose and put it up here. That's a squeeze candle. Like that's like spot 1390 today when it broke that. Like it hit that, power step in, shorts cover. Let me see if you can see it right here. See this green candle right here? And you see what happened when it broke? Squeeze candles. Alright, y'all. I'm done. Yeah, anything, just let me know. If I need to clear something up, just let me know. And remember, the patterns go from head and shoulders to bear flag, inverse head and shoulders to bull flag, to inverted cupping handle, to a cupping handle, and then a big ass diamond. Like, I don't know how that diamond come out. I mean, how they make that diamond, but it happens. But yeah, okay.